Dear students, we are going to learn here topic of professional ethics, that is ethical dilemma. What is ethical dilemma? How it is going to affect on business, code of professional ethics for employees, ethical work environment and negative image of it, and the problem and the solutions like source of ethical problems, how to establish ethical standards, how to resolve ethical dilemmas. First of all, what is ethical dilemmas? Ethical dilemma is more moral situation where a choice has to be made between the two qualities, undesirable alternatives. It may be a good quality or it may be a bad quality. It is also known as moral dilemma. Uh, employee or employer or organizer are facing this ethical dilemma problem. In this moral situation, society and personal ethical guidelines can provide no satisfactory outcomes for solving dilemma. Impact of it, it's mainly impact on organization profitably and competitiveness and its stakeholders, result in ethical dilemma. Structure of ethical dilemma, it can be performed like either or nor. uh, Example, doing what is morally right result in either doing what is morally right result in a bad outcomes or bad effect, nor doing what is morally wrong result in good or at least better effect or of outcome. Dilemma, it means create a some problem like not able to take proper decision. It can be a 50% or 50% right or 50% wrong. It can be a 51% right and 49% wrong. This kind of structure of dilemma. Some ethical problem cause ethical dilemmas like feeling lack of clear linkage between business ethics and financial success. A person is going to run the business and sometimes it is lagging in maintaining the balance for generating salary or for generating good profit. That is a feedback feeling lacking between maintain balance. It means feeling problem between product and profit. Next one, that is not clear about how much they should invest. They like to know how much good enough it is, based on that how much you are going to input in terms of liquid money and how much you are getting back from it. That is part of this. Unclear about right balance between business ethics and the investments, how much you are going to invest and how much you are going to generate profit. That is one of the part of this. Investment in ethical business may be larger, it may even a fruitless weight. It is all are causes of cause of ethical dilemmas. Ethical dilemmas and its effect on business. Corporate management is in dilemmas to follow ethics in business or favor stakeholders. The major ethics dilemmas those affect any business are, these are the effects of affected part of the ethical dilemmas like shareholders, employees, society, create negative images. These all are going to affect to the business. Shareholders are working proper, it means it proper with positive output, then it will be good, otherwise it will be bad. Employees are good output to company, then it will be good. Society give good part to organization or business, otherwise they are not favor to the product of the business or product of the organization, then it will be create problem, create negative images. It is directly affect to the business. Effect on the stakeholders, how ethical dilemmas in business affecting the stakeholders. Shareholders are their employee and society, how they are going to affect to each other. It is shown in this figure. Can be a one kind of part of the triangle. It means each and every one is connected with other. Employee is directly connected to society and shareholders. The stakeholders in this case can be broadly classified into shareholders, employee, and the society are at the large area. A negative image is a bad impression on of a company or any individual because of wrong or dishonest activity. Only focusing on the economics profit rather than society welfare. It is also one kind of bad image. Low quality products for generating good or high profit. Company is or organization is going to generate low quality product. Most often companies have negative image to favor any one of the stakeholders. Sources of ethical problems. Ethical dilemmas are occur by changes in law, economic system, ideologies, new technologies, religious, culture, and social beliefs. Law can be changed and it is directly going to law or rules is it can be changed and it directly going to affect to professional ethics. Same way, it must require economical system, common ideologies, must acquiring new technologies. It can be a religious equally for all. Culture and society must be lived. The major ethics problem may occur due to failure of personal character, conflict of personal value and organizational goal versus social values, personal beliefs versus organizational practice, production and sale hazard, but population or popular product. A big problem is occur if your manager or worker is going to maintain personal character. It can be effective directly to the business. A person must be honest, true, and good speaker, true speaker. Conflict of professional values and organizational goal. It must be go on same directional for personal values and organizational goal. All the worker are trying to goal achieve, that must not be change the personal value. Organizational goal and social goal must be same. It cannot be changed the social values as man to man. It can be changed a personal beliefs. So it can be must not differ from the organizational practice, or it cannot be changed with use of organizational practices. Production and sale of hazardous but popular products. Some ethical challenges like wage discriminator, structure of the employee, overtime work of women and children in factories. It must be not valid for the woman or children to work for overtime. It not valid for the children below 18 years can work in factories. Fix the appropriate price and profit in market. There must be a rule for generate profit from the product. Shift business for betterment of the society. Distribute unfair share between the stakeholders and employee of the organization. Provide quality product to the customer. It is the biggest challenge to provide quality product, quality values to the customer. Importance of ethical act in business organization. Maintain good reputation of the organization by meeting expectation of shareholders. Protect the prevent general public from who are related to the organization. Build good relationship and gain trust of the shareholders of organization. Protect employees of the organization. Protect business organization from dishonest and harmful employees, public and competitors. Reduce and resolve dilemmas in business. Establishing corporate code of conduct for employee and follow those rules strictly. Follow personal code of ethics for employees. It must not be follow personal rules. It must be follow generalized rules of business. Reward to employee who maintain good ethics conducts in corporate job performance. Create an ethical work environment. Avoid situations that create conflict of interest and integrity. Effect and open communication with every employees. It must require conclusion in business firm. Ethical problem mainly involve taking decision about a range of actions and consequence of result in achieving business goal. While making decisions through ethical dilemmas, a manager have to choose the value that is most suitable and important regarding fulfillment the corporating vision and mission. An ethical business organization must treat all its stakeholder or shareholders, employees, and society equal by avoiding any conflict of interest. Judge every action in a fair manner. Thank you.